Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 20th, 2025, and we're diving into Lowe's latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Lowe's performance today.
Let's get started with an overview of Lowe's and their recent earnings release.
Lowe's is a leading home improvement company, and they just released their Q2 2025 earnings report. The company reported a net earnings of $2.4 billion and an adjusted diluted EPS of $4.33, which is above the analyst's forecast of $4.23.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Lowe's reported total sales of $24 billion for the quarter, with a comparable sales increase of 1.1%. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
It's a solid performance, especially considering the challenging weather conditions early in the quarter. The sales growth was driven by strong performance in both the Pro and DIY segments. The adjusted EPS of $4.33 also exceeded the forecast of $4.23, which is a positive indicator of their profitability.
What about their net earnings?
Lowe's reported net earnings of $2.4 billion, which is a slight increase from the previous year. This growth in earnings, despite the acquisition-related expenses, shows their ability to manage costs effectively.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. John, Lowe's recently acquired Artisan Design Group for $1.3 billion. How does this acquisition fit into their strategic initiatives?
The acquisition of ADG is a strategic move to strengthen Lowe's position in the Pro segment and expand their reach into the new home construction market. Although it impacted the EPS by 6 cents this quarter, it's expected to provide long-term benefits by capturing a greater portion of Pro planned spend.
So it's a long-term investment for Lowe's?
Exactly. This acquisition aligns with their strategy to enhance their offerings and improve their market position, particularly in the Pro segment, which is a key growth area for them.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what is Lowe's guidance for the full year 2025?
Lowe's has updated their full-year sales outlook to $84.5 to $85.5 billion, with comparable sales expected to be flat to up 1%. They also project an adjusted EPS of $12.20 to $12.45. Additionally, they plan to invest $2.5 billion in capital expenditures, which indicates their commitment to growth and expansion.
How does this outlook reflect their confidence in the market?
The updated guidance reflects Lowe's confidence in their strategic initiatives and market position. Despite some challenges, they are optimistic about their ability to drive growth and deliver value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Lowe's has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with net earnings of $2.4 billion and an adjusted EPS of $4.33, beating the forecast. Their strategic acquisition of ADG and positive sales outlook for the full year are promising signs for investors. John, any final thoughts?
Lowe's is well positioned for future growth, and their strategic initiatives are likely to pay off in the long run. Investors should keep an eye on their performance in the Pro segment and new home construction market.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. Let us know your thoughts on Lowe's performance in the comments below.